the desert, and I trained up a lot because I'm not sure what's behind this door. So is this where you can burp on people? Whoa! It does damage now. This guy better be AFK. Okay. Do you even realize I'm right behind you? This guy's like staring at the wall. Hello. Hey, come back. Come back, you. Okay, I guess not then. Wait, is that you?
Yeah.
How'd you go so fast? How'd you go so fast?
I don't know.
Don't burp on me.
Well, why?
Or else I'll die. I can only burp on you.
No, stay there. I'm not gonna burp. Let's just have a little chat.
No. Hey, don't you dare. Ugh!
Stop, Xander. I won't burp on you, okay? Trust me that I won't burp on you.
Aiden! How much points do you have?
Oh, Xander, look. Xander, I can get more soda.
What's the next soda?
Dr. Pepper.
Don't get it yet. We have to be the same.
I already got the Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper.
Xander, get the Diet Dr. Pepper, which is 1,500.
Don't get it yet.
You already got it. I'm just waiting for you.
This is what you get. Stay where you are. Sip. Ah!
Hey, why you do that?
I'm going to get Dr. Pepper. I've got Dr. Pepper. Yum. Whoa, it makes us fast. Dr. Pepper, drink it. Do you see me? Where are you?
I'm in the area where you were in.
Okay, wait. Do you see you're faster? Look.
Oh, yeah.
Don't run while drinking it either.
Yeah.
Burp. Hey!
Stop. Hey. Stop right there.
What's the next soda? Stop. I just want to see what's the next soda.
Fanta.
How much does that cost?
3,500.
3,000?
500. Hey, you got Mountain Dew?
Hey, I'm so close to getting it already. How much do you have? I got 3,000.
Stop, Xander. Xander, can you please wait?
You're gonna burp on me, I know.
No, I'm not.
Wait, I'm AFK. Stop. Do not burp on me. I'm gonna get. I got Fanta, Aiden. Look at me. I got Fanta.
Stop. Oh,
Look at me. I got Fanta.
Stop it. Stop.
Don't burp on me.
I won't.
And I got Fanta. I have enough points.
Stop.
You know, if you burp on someone, you get their points. Stop. You're gonna give me the fizz.
Ew. What? Don't do that.
I got so much points. This guy's trying to kill me, I think.
Is that guy trying to kill you?
I got Fanta. Look at me.
Xander.
Do you see me? I got Fanta. Read it. It's sponsored by Fanta! Hey!
What do you have? I want to see.
Wait, where are you?
I'm right here.
Hello, look. I got Fanta. Stop, look at the sign. It says Fanta. Do you see it?
Yeah, orange.
I need to
want
burp.
Do you want Dr. Pepper soda?
Yes. You know, run around, get those blue stuff. They give you points.
Get those blue stuff?
Yeah.
Stop, Xander. Stop. Stop. I got you.
Yeah. I need some Fanta. 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 Fanta, Fanta. Aiden, Fanta tastes like orange juice, but kids, don't drink Fanta. It's actually not orange juice. It's bad orange juice.
It's sugary orange juice, which is
But you
not
can
good
drink
for
it
you.
sometimes.
It's actually, it has a lot
And
of...
come into PvP Island.
No one... I have 2,500. Now I can get the Fanta soda.
Come on and go in the thing, Aiden, the portal.
I got the Fanta.
Go in the portal. Wait. Let me see what's the next soda. 6,000? I have 5,038.
Look how fast I'm running.
Stop. Stand still, please.
Stop, stand still.
No,
You stand
can you?
still.
Okay.
You stand still.
Burr. No, can you stand still first, please? I told you.
Ah! Why would you do that?
Oh, I have enough. Look at my points. I got it from you. Okay, so let me go to soda. Whoa, Aiden, look. I can get Mountain Dew. I can get Red Bull. I can get. Wait, no, I can't get Gatorade. I'm gonna get Red Bull.
Red Bull.
Hey!
Hey, why would someone...
I've got Red Bull. Be careful.
Stop. I want some of your points, please.
I've got Red Bull. Stop! Burp!
Stop it now.
I'm the Flash. Look at me. Look how fast I am. I'm so fast.
No, just stop. Let me just do something, Xander. Stop first. Can you stop first? Let me just do something.
No, you can't burp on me.
No, I'm not. I'm not gonna.
You're lying. I know.
No,
I used the lie detector on you. And I can get Gatorade in 30 more.
Okay, I'm trying to get her.
Oh no. Let me go through the exit. Haha, you can't hurt me anymore.
So, hey, this guy's running away from me.
Okay, I'll defeat him for you. Wait, I don't have enough points.
Hey, I defeated him. He defeated me.
Burp. This guy's in the corner. It's not very effective. Oh, do not burp on him that much. The last one's chocolate milk. Look at me, Aiden. Come to the PvP Island. Do you see me spinning around in circles? He got Mountain Dew! Mountain Dew looks like vomit. I can get Gatorade, then because I have 15,000, then when I get 20,000, I can get 7-Up. Gatorade, yeah. Whoa. Burp. Hey. What soda do you have? Dr. Pepper?
No, I still have Fanta.
How much points do you have?
Oh, 5,000.
Hey, you have not been drinking your soda? Whoa, this guy's like, I'm dizzy.
I got some of the people's points.
I'm about to get 20,000. Now I can get 7 Up. No Robux at all. This. I can't get Sprite yet. 7 Up. I get 2,200 points. It's so sweet. Come to PvP. It's okay if I do this.
No.
Okay, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't bump into the tree like I just did. Bye!